Zarah and her dogs. In a house, there lived a girl named Zarah who had 2 pet dogs. They are a mother dog and then a puppy. One day, Zarah's mother was busy doing housework. Then mother said to Zarah, "Don't go outside to play. Help me prepare the food." She disobeyed and ran to the dogs. Puppy and Zarah started playing together. Suddenly, Zarah's attention shifted and Puppy ran towards the road. Zarah ran ahead. She caught the puppy and placed it in her arms. It started raining by then. Zarah's mother heard the rain and called her to come home. She didn't even pretend to hear it. Zarah continued playing with the puppy. Soon, the mother dog said, "Enough playing with her. If it rains, you might get sick. Come inside." Before the dog could finish speaking, the puppy ran to its mother. Zarah went to dogs and asked, "Why did you run away without playing with me? It was fun to play in the rain." Then mother dog said, "I called him and he came. Why didn't you go when your mother called you? Children should obey their mothers. Mothers only want their children to always possess good qualities and develop into admirable individuals. Go and apologize to your mother." Realizing that the dog was right, Zarah ran to her mother, hugged her, and apologized. Mother touched her cheek and relaxed her. From then on, Zarah started obeying her mother and assisting her with household duties.